How to play palm muting. A palm mute is shown in the tab by a PM above the note that's to be muted. If the palm mute applies to multiple notes, you'll have a PM and a dotted line over all the notes that have to be muted. To play a palm mute, place the palm of the hand on the metalwork and slide it forward onto the strings slowly whilst testing for the correct sound. If you're playing an acoustic guitar, do the same thing but start with the hand on the bridge. If the notes go completely dead, then you've either gone too far onto the strings or you're pushing too hard, or both. With a palm mute, you should still be able to hear what note you're playing. Thanks for watching.